That's a bounce at the knee and a rock at your hip. In the air, right? Alright, so there's three terms you kind of want to hear for grooving. You're going to hear a down rock. The down rock emphasizes the accent, it emphasizes downward in the accent of music. So if the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then on every count you're going to be coming down. You're going to be coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Naturally, up rock is the opposite. So instead of going down, you're going upward or back. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Occasionally, you also get a full rock. So a full rock is going to be just the entire way things through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't happen as often. That usually get that slow. So you might get moves like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As far as full rocks go. From now, we're going to focus more on the down rock, up rock portion. That's the